Haotian Mould follows the trend of development and makes innovation according to the industrial trend. Haotian Mould fame the industry with the highest reputation. Win the world with the best quality. Luoyang Haotian Mould Company Limited is located in Luoyang Airport Industrial Cluster, China, which has advantageous geographical position and convenient transport, and is a high-level casting mold design and manufacture enterprise with high starting point, high positioning, high standard, advanced manufacturing technology, and advanced management concept. The company covers an area of 18,000 square meters, with a comprehensive office building of 3,600 square meters and a large workshop of 9,000 square meters. As the most professional casting mold manufacturer in China and a modern high-tech enterprise, Haotian Mould keeps innovating and advancing with the times, being proficient in technical expertise and hacking their way through all the difficulties in the competitive mold industry. Haotian Mould has become one of the most excellent professional casting mold manufacturers in China. Since it was founded, Haotian Mould has always improved technologies and made huge investments in introducing advanced processing, inspection, and debugging equipment. Haotian Mould has 9 sets of high-speed milling equipment of Haas, DMG, Shihong, and DAH-LIH, 16 large gantry machining centers, over 30 sets of general equipment including NC lathes and large gantry milling machines, 2 sets 3-coordinate measuring instrument, and 1 set V-top scanner, 1 set pouring simulation software. Haotian Mould can annually produce over 1,000 sets of molds. To make technological innovation and keep pace with the times is an important development philosophy of Haotian Mould. Haotian Mould has an independent technological innovation platform and a strong research and development team. Haotian Mould, with strong independent innovation ability, has accumulated a large batch of invention patents and proprietary intellectual property rights. Haotian Mould now has 168 employees, including 28 professional mold design engineers and 3 casting technicians. Haotian Mould adopts computer-assisted technologies including CAD, CAM, CAE, and CAP to complete 3D modeling, mold design, NC programming, analysis of casting technology, and reverse engineering, so as to realize the best mold structures, the highest production efficiency, and cutting-edge casting technologies. Haotian has more than 30 senior fitters with rich expertise, superb assembly skills, and a first-rate assembly idea, and guarantees that molds are in high precision, have good effects, and are easy to be operated. An enterprise can survive only by high quality. Haotian Mould constantly makes innovation, puts product quality first, takes every product as an artistic masterpiece in production, and keeps improving. Haotian Mould has successfully developed and produced automatic molding line mold, molding machine mold, cold core box mold, hot core box mold, manual self-hardening sand mold, aluminum alloy high-pressure casting mold, aluminum alloy gravity casting mold, aluminum alloy low-pressure die casting mold, etc. Quality first, customers highest is Haotian Mould's core value. Haotian Mould strictly carries out the 6S and ERP modern management systems and the ISO 9001-2008, IATF 16949 quality management system. Haotian Mould has always adhered to the idea of loyalty, mission, responsibility, and value, and the principle of best quality, rational price, prompt delivery, and good service. Relying on its efficient teams, independent core technologies, strict quality inspection system, and highly cost-effective products, Haotian Mould provides customers with perfect pre-sales, in-sales, and after-sales services to the greatest extent possible. Today, Haotian Mould sells products in more than 30 provinces, municipalities, and autonomous regions in China, and also exports products to the US, Europe, India, Taiwan, and other countries and regions. The products are widely used in the transport, agricultural machinery, engineering machinery, water conservancy facility, aviation, energy and power generation, chemical machinery, and ocean transport industries. Haotian Mould has become the strategic partner of domestic well-known enterprises such as Dongfeng Motor, Changgang Automobile, Great Wall Motor, Chery Automobile, Geely Automobile, JAC Motors, Jiangling Motors, YTO Group, Henan Diesel Engine, Guangxi Yuchai, Shanxi Fast Auto Drive, Shanxi Sanlian Casting, North Dynamic, Anhui Chuanchai Group, Anhui Zhongding Group, Fujian Longqing, Qingdao Qingte. The products are well received by users in all industries. Haotian Mould pursues excellence and aspires to create a brilliant future. There is a power making Haotian go everywhere. There is a power making Haotian embrace ambition. There is a power making Haotian surpass dream. Building the best internal R&D casting mold manufacturer base. And we will advance together hand in hand with you. The cooperation altogether wins.
Ether.com. Make global trade easier.